YouTube Shorts are a great tool to reach more people and grow your channel. One way to utilize Shorts in your YouTube strategy without having to create more content from scratch is to remix sections of your already existing YouTube videos into Shorts. Here's how. On the YouTube mobile app, go to your video library and select a video to repurpose. Select Remix, Edit into a Short. You'll see this option is only available to you. If the remix option is missing, go to your video settings on your desktop device, scroll down to show more, and make sure the setting allow people to sample this content is selected. Once this is on, remix will appear on your video. Select the duration up to 60 seconds. Scroll through the video to find the section you want to use. You can vertically position your video by sliding it from side to side. Unfortunately, creating a short may not work for all videos because the section you want to show might be too wide. But now that you know this option is available, going forward, you can film your new videos a bit wider to give yourself the option of making shorts. Adjust the start and end points with the handles. Then select Next. You can add text and adjust the font, style, and size with these toggles. If your short is just B-roll, you can also add voiceover. Then you can edit all of these components by toggling the timeline. Finally, there are a whole heap of filters to choose from. When you hit Next, it'll bring you to this screen where you can add a title for your short up to 100 characters. Just like regular YouTube videos, shorts rank in the YouTube search engine, so make sure you use long tail keywords and build titles that provoke intrigue, maybe a little bit of FOMO, just like you would in your long form videos. Right now, shorts with emojis in the title are receiving high click-through rates, so you might add an exploding head emoji or a flame emoji to your title, something that's relevant but grabs your viewer's eye. Unlike long-form YouTube videos, you can't add a description or thumbnail, so your title and the first few seconds of your video are where you need to grab your viewer's attention. You can either upload it immediately or save it as a draft. It'll show up in your shorts list when it's published. And if you saved it as a draft, go to your shorts tab, select the camera to create a new short, and go to drafts. Have you tried YouTube Shorts yet? Let me know in the comments below and tell me what you'd like to see a video about next. Hit subscribe for more video tips and techniques, and check out these videos for more ideas. I'll see you next time.